What's up YouTube? And in today's video, as you see, I have another 370Z. Customer came in to do the camber, so we're going to be adding -2 camber in the front and -2 degrees of camber in the rear. Supposedly it's eating his tires, so this is a good way to save your tires. Personally, I like the camber. As you see, my 350Z has -4 in the rear, but the customer did buy the Godspeed rear camber arms and the Godspeed rear upper control arms, as you see. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install these parts on your 370Z and get you looking right. As well, I'm going to recommend him to obviously get an alignment, because you're going to be messing with the camber in the rear. The front, not really, but you know, it's good to be safe. At the end of the day, we're going to be showing you each thing, as well as you should mark the bolts, but I'm going to take you step by step. This is a 2020 370Z, blue, beautiful. I don't know what model it is. It has the black headlights as a Nismos. It has the Akibonos, black interior. Sadly, it is an automatic, but it's funny because it has the black gauges. Mine is not. You see, this is black, mine is silver. It's an automatic, has a navigation, pretty cool. All I know is it has test pipes and an ISR single exit. It has this weird looking wing, but to each their own. I think he bought it with this on. As you can see, it's pretty banged up, pretty scuffed up. I told him to get a 326 wing, but enough about, you know, the Z. Let's get into lifting this car up. Taking the fronts off, we'll do the fronts first, is the easiest. So let's get started with this video. So yeah guys, let's get started taking off all the wheels, doing the front first. I'm going to show you how to get -2, because you can get positive and negative. So I'm going to show you the sweet spot, and I'm going to show you how to measure the camber and all that beautiful stuff. Alright guys, so once you get the rim taken off, you have this upper control arm. It's really simple. It's going to be a, I believe, 14mm and a 14mm in the back. It's really simple. You see, 2 bolts. Now this one might be a little bit tricky, so we might even have to loosen the coilover just a little bit so it drops down. But I'll let you know what happens. I believe for a stock suspension, you're gonna have to lower the coilover. I don't remember, because most of the time I've done a lot of cars with the aftermarket suspension, but this is one stock, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. And yeah, we're gonna be taking the ball joint off. Be careful, because this is be careful y'all, because this will come towards you, so you got to be really careful that you don't get hit. And you know, take off the brake lines. Use something to take off all these brake lines. These slide off, as you see. You don't have to use the one for the shock. This one you do right here. Just pull it up and just be careful. So I'm gonna get these off, and I'll catch you on the flip side, and I'll tell you if you had to lower this or not. Alright guys, so as you see, I actually did have to take off the brace. It's all 14mm. The 3 nuts holding this on is a 12mm. So once you get that loose, you're gonna go under here. You're gonna loosen this bolt, loosen this 19 bolt right here, loosen these 14s, and then this comes off. You should be able to slide this. Remember, disconnect the brake lines, and you should be set. And then you're gonna move this on the side to break this bolt loose, and then reattach everything. And then as well as this one, if you can't get it out. I try to use this is too small. I almost stripped it, so I'm gonna have to use a hammer, hit it in and get it out. And then probably put this bolt over here. So good thing I didn't strip it, because I caught it. But it was pretty freaking tight. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that right now, taking this, moving it aside. So I'll catch you when I have this on the side. Alright guys, so once you have the coilover just dropped, now you can get access to this bolt right here. So I loosened that one. This one's already loosened. Then this comes out, and then you just gotta lube up that one over there, snug it in and retighten everything, and then add the camber. And just like that, the camber upper control arm is up. Everything's bolted on the top. Rim is bolted. Overall, I got -2. So just one finger between the back of that and the so here's how I did it. Boom, just like that. Put your finger like right here and then push it all the way back, and that's -2. So we got -2 in the front now. Looks pretty good. Bolted it up. At first I was a little bit sketchy, but these are different. It looks like the ball joint does not go all the way through. It just sits like right here on the top of the nut, which is strange compared to that one. That one goes all the way through. But I don't know, maybe these ones are different. They are a different color compared to mine. But overall, still good. Now we're going to tackle this side. We're going to take off the sway bar link. Take off that, take off everything. And it should be quick. Alright guys, just like that, this side is done. Everything at the top is tightened. Here is the upper control arm, as you see. All snug and tightened. So we're gonna drop this side down, put back this brace, and then we're gonna hit the rear. You have the wheel taken off. Now you're gonna go under the car and you're gonna see this arm right here. You're gonna loosen this bolt, and then you're gonna loosen this bolt right here in the back. I also marked it, as you see. Marked it here and also marked it right there, as you see. So then when I put everything back, I can realign it factory spec, and then tomorrow this car's getting alignment. We're gonna do -2 in the rear. I already did -2 in the front, so it's pretty straightforward. You're just gonna align this to factory spec, shove it in there, and that's pretty much it. And just like that, y'all, as you see, let's get under the car. It is on. As you see, everything is marked back into the position, as you see. So this side is done. All we gotta do now is the driver's side, and then I'm gonna be fixing the front again. I just wanna tweak some things on it, but that's off camera. And then tomorrow we're gonna get the whole car aligned. I'm gonna tell them to do -2 on the rear. At the shop next door, they can do it. They got the alignment machine, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do the other side and wrap it up. It should be pretty easy. And just like that, the other arm is in, as you see, and everything is marked back to the factory spec. Now we're gonna do -2 tomorrow on the alignment. More likely we're probably gonna do it on the bolt itself. -2, you don't really need this for -2, but overall we are good. So we are just finished. Here's the stock arm. If you're wondering how I did it, you're just gonna get you're gonna line it up, and you're gonna get a bolt and a bolt here, and then just match it, adjust it, and then you slap it on, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna slap on the tire, a spare, because this tire, as you see, is cooked. The customer did give me a new tire to put on tomorrow, so we are finished. So I'm gonna clean up the shop right now, put everything in the Z, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Alright y'all, so I got the car in the alignment shop right now next door. As you see, we're doing a full alignment, and that's pretty much it. I put a tire on. There's the tire. So yeah, we'll see what the results are when the alignment is done, but so far it's looking good.